Right. If you see the next one we have here, that is called as very simple. What is this? What is that? Setting query limits and timing restrictions. Setting query limits and timing restrictions. What is the meaning? For example, now let me go for this user B160 DDR user. B160 DDR user RRITEC123, then new, then analysis not available.
Yes.
We denied. I want it back. What to do? Again, provide the granted permissions. This user I am removing from this list. Okay, sign out. Now new, analysis, supplier sales representative. I am trying to take a new key, name, then I am trying to take a dollars. Okay, now I am trying to click on the result. Okay, now I am able to see all the customers or not? All the customers I am able to see it. What is the problem is, if you take here our job portals, right? Naukri, Monster, Dice, whatever it is available. They'll sell the IDs or our profiles, like up to 1,000 profiles download, this much amount you need to pay. Up to 2,000 profiles download, you need to pay this much of amount. Like that, they have the different plans. Are you getting my point? They'll go based on the how many profiles you want in a month or whatever it is. Okay, based on that one, they are going to charge it. If 1,000 profiles downloading is completed and you've taken the plan for 1,000 only, 1,001 we are trying to download, it's going to throw the error. It is going to throw the error. Similar kind of thing I want to build here. This user should see only 5 customers information. This user should see only what? 5 customers information. More than 5 customers information you're trying to access, it has to throw the error. That's what my requirement. More than 5 customers information you're trying to access, it has to throw the error. How we can design it? Okay, that's what the query limit. We are limiting the query what? 5 records only. So what you can do is, let us go to the RPD. Let us go to the RPD, manage, what is this? Identity, your user, B160 DDR user, and go to where? Permissions. What is this? Query limits. I think this window you are familiar, right? Or you are visiting first time? This window you are familiar or visiting first time? First time you are visiting? Who changed this one then? We didn't change this option? Yeah, when we are doing the chapter called as DDR, we visited this window, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this window is familiar. Here we have some other option that is called as, what is this? Status of the max rows from this database is available as what? Ignore. What I will do is that one, I am trying to enable it. Enable, how many rows you want to enable? If it is available, ignore means whatever number here available also doesn't matter. Here ignore is available, then whatever number is available also, it doesn't matter. Here enable is available and we are given, let us say 5. That means what? From this database ORCL, this user can see only how many records? 5 records. Let me click on here, OK. Then again, OK. then close, then save. Okay, yes. Now close. Now let me go to the front end, then sign out first, then sign in as a WebLogic user, then new analysis, then new analysis, then reload server
Okay.
metadata, then sign out, then sign in as a user called as B.
160.
Now if you go and try to observe, same report will try to develop it, new analysis, then customer name, new key, then dollars. I'm clicking on the result. Why you got the data? You should not get, right?
Yes.
Is it applied properly?
Restrict. You need to set restriction.
No. That is for a time restriction.
Okay.
Maybe it is not reloaded properly. What is the mistake we are doing? For the user level, we are restricting it for particular database. Okay. For this database, for this user, we enabled is equal to 5. Cache is not enabled anyhow. We did that one. Reload server metadata, we did it. Okay, that option keeps hype. Okay, let us see its next option at least. Manage then identity. Nothing much story. We have to do the same way we have to do it, but some reason it is not working. We'll check it out. After some time, we'll check it out. Let me make this as ignore first and make this as what? As it is default properties. First, let me go to the restrict. What is today?
Monday. Tuesday.
But what is today also I am not sure, because it is available, server is available in EST zone, right? So total Monday I am blocking them. Okay. Because the server, Linux server is installed at the time of installation in the EST timings. So in EST timings, still it is Monday only. So on Monday total I blocked it. Okay. Then I am trying to click on here OK. Then click on OK, click on OK, close this. Let us see at least that will work or not. Yes. Then close. Then if you go to the front end, then B160 TDR, first we go to the web logic, then reload server metadata, reload files and metadata, sign out, sign in as B160 TDR, RR capital I text small 123, then go to the any new report, analysis, then we are trying to take care any columns, then we are running the report. Okay, at least it is working. What is the error it is throwing? User cannot access this time, something like that. Huh? Is there?
Administrator.
Where, madam?
You selected, right? Look at the.
Oh, okay. The user cannot execute this query at this time. This is what is the error message I am expecting. Okay, this is working. This is because we blocked the Monday, we blocked for this user. For another user, we didn't block it. If WebLogic, if you go and run the same report, it will work. For particularly this user, we blocked for Monday because it didn't pay the amount. So I blocked it. Let us assume like that. Now, some reason this is not working. Let me try again one more time. B160 DDR, permissions, restrict. This I am trying to remove it. Clear. We cleared that one. Okay. This one we are trying to enable it. Then we are giving this as a 3 records. 5 is not good for us, I think. Okay, let us click on OK. Click on OK. Just close it. Then OK. No RS. Then come to the here. Sign out. Sign in as WebLogic user. Then administration. Then reload files and metadata. Sign out. Sign in as B160 DDR RR take 123. Then go to the new analysis, supplier sales representative. Let me take some columns. Then we are trying to select here some dollars. Okay, then go to the results. Still working. I think that option only have some issue. I need to see it, but same job we do in 11G, it will work. Same job we do in 11G, it will work. So that's what the meaning of here query limits. That's what the meaning of here what? Query limits and timing restrictions. So with this, I think I'm good with this security chapter. We completed the security chapter. Cache management already we completed. So only one chapter is pending, that is called as multi-user development environment. Multi-user development environment is pending, that I am going to cover it. Am I clear? Right. Thank you. Bye bye. Tomorrow we'll meet.